Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great today. I have an interesting episode today about another interesting tarot card. This card is also important because it resonates a lot with the card I discussed in the previous video. So let's see. This card which I'm going to talk about is the Emperor card, and you can also see here the Empress card as well. I have just laid them together because the Emperor card is considered the opposite of Empress. If Empress talk about the feminine part of human beings, anima, Emperor talks about animus, the masculine part of every one of us. This card, as you can see, he is sitting like a ruler, an emperor wearing the crown, sitting with a big throne, and his get-up, his red robe. And you can also see here some barren mountains or barren desert here behind. So let's discuss what this card is all about. First of all, the Emperor card is related with the fire sign, zodiac sign, the Aries, and this card represents power and authority. You can see from his face he looks like a stern man whose attitude is quite different from the sensuous nature of the Empress. She looks confident, but she doesn't look stern or aggressive. But Emperor, being the male, looks aggressive as well, because Emperor has a long experience, and this white beard is also telling about his command, his prophecy, and his attitude towards what he wants from life and what he wants from the people he rules. This Emperor card is also a patriotic card, an archetype. It is common to see masculine figures of authority or father figures with long white beards in tarot cards. And this white beard is usually associated with personal wisdom and experience. And because he has experience, that's why people listen to him, people go to him for the solution of their problems. And behind his throne you can see there are barren mountains, and his throne itself is decorated with 4 heads of ram. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 rams head here, and rams are representing intellectual heights, determination, action, and leadership of this person. And as I told you, ram is the image of Aries sign, and Aries is the astral ruler of this Emperor card. In the Emperor's right hand you can see the symbol of holding an ankh, which is Egyptian symbol of life. And in his left hand you can see an orb, which means he has power to rule the world. And same ball the Empress is also carrying in her hand. So the orange and reddish background and Emperor's red clothing are symbolizing his passion and energy for life and the challenges he has been facing alone. He has the energy. Though Emperor, being the older person, looks like a kind old man, but Emperor has this dominating element in his appearance. In a tarot card reading, whenever the Emperor card comes up, it is usually interpreted by a person who is so much controlling. It could be the inquirer herself or himself, and it could be somebody who is directly or indirectly affecting the inquirer life. Emperor card also talks about when in life you are supposed to make a difficult decision, you do not only need to listen your heart, but keep your mind in control as well. You have to listen to your mind and heart. And with the Emperor figure, we can assume that he is a kind of man who has been listening to his head more than his heart. An interesting interpretation, whenever the Emperor card occurs in a love reading, it could also represent that the person is falling in love with someone who is older than the inquirer, or probably he is not older in chronological age, but he is older in experience and wisdom and logic or organization. And this attraction could not be mutual from the beginning, but it could develop slowly. I'm also very impressed by the crown he is wearing. It's beautiful. It also carries red color in it, which means Emperor has passion, but he even listens to his head more than his heart. So this is an interesting card. The 4th number card of Rider-Waite Major Arcana, and this is all about Emperor. If you have any question, please do write to me in comment box. I would be happy to answer them, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.